Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of intermediate algorithm scripting series. Convert HTML entities is the problem. Convert the characters ampersand, less than, greater than, double quote, apostrophe in a string to their corresponding HTML entities. We can let's try it. Let new str equal to str.split dot map. Okay, current element in this case. Okay, console, if you use console.log on current, we get all the values. In normal case, we will be returning current. Before that, we will use switch and passing current here. In case we have ampersand, then it should be changed into then return percent amp. Case for less than, similar way return ampersand lt. Copy, paste and paste and paste. For greater than, for double quote, percent quote, and for apostrophe we will have ampersand apos, and in the end we will return new str, but before that we will need to join the split the array which is formed here by using a split. So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.